first and foremost, I don't think anybody, neither our side nor the other side, has to say anything, because the order passed is self-explanatory. Most of you were present in court. All of you heard the order. The order records an unprecedented, unheard of sequence of events which transpired inside the courtroom. For 2.5 hours, the petitioners refused to argue their case on merits. That's the straight bottom line, that's the straight fact. It's the undeniable fact. At least 12 to 18 times the bench insisted, requested, asked, directed, virtually begged the petitioners to open their case on the merits. Not once was it argued. All that the petitioners said was that unless and until the bench decides the application either for waiver or for maintainability or for injunction first by an order, they will not argue. They refuse to argue. I leave it to you to judge. The order is clear. The events what happened in court are clear. The bench has recorded its pain at the disobedience of prior 2 orders and at the unprecedented course of conduct adopted by the petitioners today. It is very clear that this is a set of petitioners who want to get their own petition dismissed for whatever may be other motives. It is clear that these petitioners want to create an ambush situation, don't want to argue, don't want to risk a judgment either way, and instead avoid proceeding with the hearing on any pretext whatsoever.
So how does today's judgment impact the status of the February 6th EGM? If you could throw some light on that, because
from
the bench referred to that.
22nd of December till today, there has been not and there is not in any manner, direct or indirect, any fetter on the meeting of 6th of February. Let's be very clear. On the contrary, an injunction was sought on 22nd and injunction was not granted, refused. On 18th of January, after the 6th of February meeting had been notified, a specific injunction and a contempt order was sought for the same meeting. Today's order records that that was not granted. Para 24 of the order of 18th January also records the same. Therefore, net it is very clear that the petitioners have not got any interim relief